Puerto Rico. Esta bomba yo la dedico a toda mi gente de Puerto Rico, a la familia Fontanet, allá en Cupe Alto y Lo Mejía en Vega Baja. ¡Que gocen! ¡Sí! ¡Bomba, bomba!
Hello everybody, welcome back to another great episode. I'm Josue, the spirited historian. And today we're going to be talking about the top 10 contributions Puerto Rico has made to the world. This island looks small on the map. A dot. Sometimes easy to ignore, right? But history doesn't care about size. It cares about impact. And Puerto Rico has been quietly punching way above its weight for 2 centuries. Today, 10 things this island gave to the world and keeps giving. No myths, no patriotism, receipts, facts. And today's cocktail? Well, no garnish, no sugar, no theatrics. Just rum, straight, because rum itself is one of Puerto Rico's contributions. Now, so sit back and enjoy. Salud. Start small, literally. 1963, Carolina, Puerto Rico. Burger King full-size buns don't arrive. They don't make it to the store. A logistics failure. A local manager, Luis Arenas Perez, does what Puerto Ricans always do. When something breaks, we improvise. Like we say in Puerto Rico, de la manga production. Smaller bread, same burger, new size. Corporate headquarters liked it, and they kept it. That mistake became the Whopper Jr. Now think about that, right? Millions of those are sold every day all over the world. 5 continents to be exact. A global fast food staple, born because somebody in Puerto Rico said, pues resuélvelo. Puerto Rican engineering, duct tape, and genius. You know, I have friends that played basketball and they're way taller than me, and I didn't play much at all. But sometimes I played here and there, but mostly I narrated the games. If you're one of those that played with me, leave a comment. Basketball used to be all giants near the rim. In 1962, Guaynabo sports director Eddie Rios Mellado looked at the smaller kids and thought, how do we make this fair? So he created a long distance shot worth 3 points. Simple idea with revolutionary effect. Now the entire NBA is built on spacing, shooting, and perimeter play. Steve Curry's career? That line started here. Puerto Rico didn't just play basketball. We quietly changed how the game works. late 80s, San Juan and Carolina housing projects, or the caserío, bootleg cassettes, homemade beats, no radio play, no permission, kids mixing reggae, hip-hop, and dancehall. Because see, then Daddy Yankee coins the word reggaeton. I know, you might not like it, I may not like it, but this is history, and it's one of our contributions to the world, because all over, reggaeton is loved. Fast forward 20 years, Tokyo clubs, Paris fashion shows, Miami radio, the entire planet dancing to a rhythm born in the caseríos of Carolina and San Juan. I mean, Bad Bunny's gonna be at the NFL halftime show. That's another episode. Actually, that was another episode. Check episode 10. But we're still gonna talk about that Saturday. This is not influence. That's cultural conquest. Before Starbucks, before Colombia's marketing machine, Puerto Rican coffee was luxury. 19th century Europe paid premium prices for beans from Adjuntas, Utuado, Lares, and Yauco. Award-winning, exported to Spain, France, Corsica, even the Vatican. It wasn't Caribbean coffee, it was café de Puerto Rico, like champagne. Origin mattered. By the 1880s, it was our #1 export. Then tariffs changed because trade routes changed because politics changed. Quality didn't stop. Markets disappeared. History lesson here: sometimes empires kill industries faster than bad farming ever could. But for a moment, Europe literally woke up drinking Puerto Rico. Sugar sounds boring, but sugar was gasoline for the Industrial Revolution. Cheap calories equals longer labor hours, which equals factories running non-stop. Puerto Rico supplied tons of it. Massive plantations, steam mills, rail lines. Our sugar went into coffee, tea, desserts, everywhere. It shaped diets, labor systems, migrations, unions, politics, and the byproduct? Molasses, which becomes this. talking about that, probably most people know us because of rum. And yes, it's good, it's fun. It makes people even speak Spanish. Modern light rum, clean, smooth, mixable, was perfected here in Puerto Rico. Although we've been producing good quality aged rum for years, since the mid to late 1800s. In Puerto Rico, we have the largest rum distillery in the world. And it's in the smallest municipality of Puerto Rico, Cataño. The historic Destilería Serralles is in Ponce, Puerto Rico, on the south. And another historic destilería, Santa Ana, which produces Ron del Barrilito, is in Bayamón. Still aging methods became the global standard. So every mojito in London, every daiquiri in Tokyo, there's a Puerto Rican fingerprint in that glass. Again, this is not nostalgia. It's not. It's infrastructure. Rum is one of our biggest exports, economically and culturally. (1950s). Researchers testing the first oral contraceptive needed a place with clinics, doctors, and population density. So they partnered with the University of Puerto Rico. The large clinical trials happen here. And the result? The pill. Women gained control over reproduction for the first time in history, thanks to Puerto Rican women who didn't even know most of the times what they were getting into. Workforce participation changed, families changed, and of course, society changes and changed. It's really hard to find a medical innovation that reshaped civilization more. Messy ethics, yes. Huge consequences. But as you know, history is complicated, but undeniable. Before we continue to the top 3, subscribe, like, and share. A surprising percentage of the medicines you or your family use are made here in Puerto Rico. Not designed, manufactured. Plants like Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, AbbVie, and a few others create insulin, cancer drugs, injectables, even Advil, all kinds of medications. If someone in Berlin survives an infection, chances are that vial might have come from Barceloneta. Puerto Rico is basically a global pharmacy. Public health miracle, universal prenatal testing, early treatment, aggressive policy. Puerto Rico eliminated mother-to-child HIV transmission years before the World Health Organization had its target. Babies born healthy who might not have been. No headlines, no fireworks, just thousands of lives quietly saved. I mean, to me, this is beyond. Sometimes the biggest victories are the least dramatic. Engineer Olga de González Sanabria from Patillas, Puerto Rico. That's a municipality on the southeastern coast of the Caribbean. Her work on long-life batteries powers the International Space Station. When it's in Earth's shadow, when there's no sunlight, no solar power, those batteries keep astronauts alive. So yes, Puerto Rico helps power space. From rum barrels to orbit, which one was your favorite? Which one did you not know? Leave it in the comments, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe. In the map, tiny island, big footprint. Coffee, sugar, rum, music, medicine, space. History hides in small places. You just have to look. To Puerto Rico. Salud.